Howdy folks, TJ here. Last video I cut a little bit short even though it was a long video because I wanted to cover a second item I purchased from Ecoflow, which is the external battery for the River Pro. So I had said jokingly, oh, we'll do it in 2 minutes. Probably take me a little longer because the only thing I think I've ever done in 2 minutes, I did this series of advent calendar for my retro computer nerdy stuff on my channel, and each video was anywhere between 1 minute and 2 minutes. And I did it for every day of that December up to the Christmas Day. That was crazy. So this one will be a shorter video than the other, but this is the external battery that I wanted to go ahead and open. So as you know, I now have this thing of beauty called the River Pro, and I look forward to trying it this week. But let's go ahead and do a unboxing of the external battery for it and chat about it a little bit. And then we will, future video, which will come probably, I don't know, in a week or two or less. I don't know. I've got to get out and find the time to connect all this up. Charge it up first, because it says you should charge everything up first. So like the other one, the box has a nice, excuse my hacking here, I got bad allergies. Nice little label here with the contact information. Keep your accessories in packages and accessories. So like I did with the other one, vacuum sealed. Oh, you got it. Oh. Now the cat can go play in the box. I've got 3 hungry cats staring at me, so they may kill me soon. I need to do one good hack. Maybe I should drink some water. Hold on a second. My videos are typically impromptu. I just kind of go for it, no staging. So whatever happens, happens. So this box is a little pretty, yes. So on the front of this box in white, Ecoflow River 600 Pro Extra Battery. The other sides of the box, ouch, getting paper cuts and tape all over me. Nothing here, but there is, like the River Pro, a spec list. River Pro 600 Extra Battery. You probably can't read that, so I'll read it for you. The model is officially the EF4 Pro.EB, only 15.4 pounds. Dimensions are roughly 11 by 7 by 8, 720 watt hours. That's what this is going to add to my River Pro. So I basically double it, which is great. Talks about some expansion ports, lithium ion, 18650 cell type, blah, blah, blah. Information for River Pro 600 only. So, cool. Let's move this a little out of the way. Over here. Oh! And let's go ahead and pop this open. Oh, I gotta cut these little, they really do a wonderful packing job, and a good idea they do because batteries are kind of heavy, so even though 15 pounds is quite light in terms of solar stuff. So, like the other one, nice high density foam on the top, and another Ecoflow box that has all sorts of info. So, quick guide shows you how to connect it up. Very easy. Looks wonderful. Very cool. Let's put that over here. And like the other one, so you're greeted with the handle protruding through the high density foam, which in the last video I said I can bounce off the walls with this stuff so I can make some armor and my wife and I can have battles and she'll win. Lift this out. Silica gel. Bottom of box, pretty bottom of box. Let's go ahead and stick this over here. So all very well made, very well packed, and boom! Interesting. So this looks very similar. I mean, you can kind of, let's move them side by side. Look at that. They look like they're siblings. They're made for each other. Now, one thing I kind of saw in some videos, they should have made some type of neat little stacking to where you can maybe stack one on top. Like this is the bottom. This has some type of little thing that could have been on the bottom that maybe could stack on top of here, make it a little bit more uniform. That'd be kind of cool. Maybe that's a future thing they can do. So let's take a look. So here's the, I think I'm going to move this on the floor. Oh. So here is the battery, little smaller than the River Pro. And it says on the front, River. I like their logo, or I should say font design. I like it. Smart extra battery. On the top is light up button, on off button, and this I guess is probably going to be lighting up and showing us some fun info. It does say Ecoflow on the top. You probably can't pick that up in the image, but that is kind of scrawled into this top gray bar. Now here, so this little door, this is supposed to, yeah, there we go. It was kind of ajar already. So little flimsy maybe, but hopefully it doesn't break. So this is that connector, heavy duty cable that's going to connect this to my River Pro. Snap shut. Anything on the side here? No. 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 So, very simple device. Cable from here over to my River Pro. Let's go ahead and pop this open and see what kind of cables they've provided me. I'm trying to open it gently so I don't booger up the box. Oh, already boogering up the box. These sometimes are a little hard to open. I like saving boxes of stuff that I buy. Oh. Oh. Oh, got that one. Oh, they got it. Okay. All right. Very similar to the other box in the River Pro. Sliding up. Hey, they gave me a little stir like the other one. What's this little stir thing? Both boxes had the same thing. Must be from the slits here. Kind of falls down inside the box. Ecoflow extra battery manual. Big honking cable, heavy duty cable. And that's it. Oh, I got 2 stir sticks. Woohoo! I big time winner this week. So, a nice Velcro holding this cable. Let's see how long this bad boy is. Oh, pretty long. Yeah, that's about the length of this tape, about 4 foot, I'm guessing, something like that. So basically, and I'm not gonna, you guys are all pretty bright, I'm sure. One end's gonna plug into the top here, and the other end's gonna plug into my River Pro. Then I'm gonna charge this up, get them topped up, and then we're gonna actually do an initial test without solar panels and just say, hey, how long does it run that refrigerator for? Although maybe I'll cut to the chase and connect, because I want my solar panels connected too. So I may cut to the chase and get that all connected up on a sunny day, run a real long power cord into my kitchen, get the solar panels outside, and see if my theory of it has enough juice during the hot summer day to keep the refrigerator running off of the solar that's providing solar power to my battery, keeping it maximized up to the 90, 100% level. And then when the power or sun goes down, then all of a sudden it resorts to only battery power and see how long it lasts and get a complete hour count how long I can keep my refrigerator running as it is. That refrigerator pulls about 130 watts from this little app that I have with this little smart plug that I plugged into it. At times I've seen it as low as only 18 something watts. That must be when it's completely doing diddly squat. But normal operation I see at about 130. And then when the compressor kicks in, I think I see it around 180 range. So I really don't know between the 2 batteries here. It won't keep it running 24 hours, but I think I could at least get half a day, if not a little bit longer. That's the goal. And then with the solar keeping it powered part of the day, the nighttime will go off the battery, and then I have a backup propane, small 700 to 900 surge peak, little propane Baja, similar to the Ryobi, generator that if I need to, I can use that to power this up and charge it up quick so it can keep the refrigerator running. Also, buy another one of these. So my thought is that I could have a standby battery that I can swap out, and then the next day try to get everything charged up again during the sunny day, and use the Ryobi, or I should say Baja, as needed to charge up both of the batteries, getting them all topped up during these power outage situations. So that is it. Now I can go test this stuff. Let's charge everything up, get it going, and test things out. Come back for another video soon. Peace. Now I gotta go feed the cats. They're about eyeballing me to eat me up.